Today we will learn how to give subtitles captions to a video. It rushes down the mountainside, an unstoppable force, singing its song as it journeys through the wilderness. Among the trees, the water slows, weaving between roots and rocks. First of all, drop the video in the timeline and click on the window and then text. Now go to Transcript and click on the Transcribe option. And then Premiere Pro will automatically generate all the dialogues. If any word is wrong somewhere, you can edit it by double-clicking on the text. Now go to Captions and click on Create Captions from Transcript. These captions are ready. Let's play it and see.
Today we will learn how to make a 3D cam in Photoshop. First of all, take a logo of any juice brand. Keep it a little smaller than the size of the background. And remember that there should not be an artboard in the background.
Now if you want to make some changes in it, then first select all the captions. If you want, you can place the captions wherever you want. You can change the font. You can also change the color. If you want a single color, then choose solid color, and if you want a gradient, then choose linear or radial color. Then let's play the video once and see.
Learn how to make a 3D cam in Photoshop. First of all, take a logo of any.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel. And see you again in the next video. If you are not getting in English, no problem. GraphiX Studio is now available in Hindi. Subscribe to the GraphiX Studio Hindi YouTube channel